Do you hang it up or do you roll it up? Which is better and why? Why would you choose one or the other?
For me personally, it is hanging, period. I'm going to give a mini plug here, so I apologize for the commercial. We have our kilt hangers, our four clip kilt hangers. They support the weight of the kilt across the entire top. When we did those, we made them 20 inches wide because most closets are between, even in old houses, they are 10 inches or 11 inches from the center of the bar to the back of the closet, if not 12 or 14 inches to the back of the closet. It allows for, in my closet, to line up, all 25, 30, 50, whatever I have, kilts all in the bar, and I have a lot more hanging room than I do drawer space for myself personally. And since the kilts are supported the entire way across the top of the kilt, it's less, you're less likely to have pleat splay and stuff like that, where the pleats just kind of do that over time. Yeah, it's nicer to me to be able to see all of them. Hey, you spend a lot of money on kilts. It's nice to sit there and look at them in your closet and see them all laid out before you as you walk in there and decide what shirt you're gonna wear with it and that kind of stuff. This is a tangent, but I don't care, I'm doing it anyway. I had a weird thought the other day. I'm like, you know what? There'd be a weird niche in a niche in a niche market for if somebody has a full big walk-in closet, setting it up like a retail store for kilts. Have all your kilts hanging down the wall, all your jackets there, the hose all lined up nicely. So every morning you go in and you feel like you can just shop to your heart's content in your own closet. I'm like,
yes.
Yeah. Oh, today I'll take this one. Thank you, James. This box for me. Oh. No, I had too much fun thinking about that. But it's, to me, hanging them seems easier and takes up less annoying drawer space and trying to, pull through things and that kind of thing.
Yeah, I think rolling is okay. If you're in a small apartment, if you're in a 3-bedroom place and you're sharing it with 2 other guys, and you've got a room to yourself, then yeah, okay, roll it gently, carefully, and keep it neatly in a drawer. That's fine. But the hangers, especially if you start collecting, are a lot easier. And somebody else made the same point you did on the group about it's nice to be able to go in and just see them all there. And select the one you want, and it's like, oh, okay. So we were doing Marie Kondo stuff long before Marie Kondo came along then, because does this kilt arrangement bring me joy? Yes, it does. Today I will wear the Maxwell, so seriously, it's efficient, and it's nice. And it's better for the kilt. It really is.
Yeah. And I would say this, it's if you have more than 4 kilts, some guys have 1 or 2, and that's fine, or they only ever want 1 because it's their family tartan and that's it, then rolling it would be fine because you know exactly where it is and it's rolled and it's in this particular drawer. If you have 4, 5, 6, 20, 50 kilts, then you want to see them all so you can pick the one that you want to wear. So there's a little bit of practicality there as well.
Yeah.
Hey guys, I hope you found that video on hangers just riveting. If you want to learn more about general kilt care, check out these videos. If you want to learn about how to travel with a kilt, check out that video.